No English muffin, beautiful day in the neighborhood, beautiful day in the neighborhood. Whoa!
Hi. Hello. Hi.
Did you just take my English muffin? That's really good. I think that might be the best English muffin and clotted cream I've ever had. Please don't kill us. If you need money, my mom's got a golden poodle under the bed in the master bedroom. It has $30 in it, cash. I'm from the 10th century, so if I know anything about anything, it's bread. Did you say you really like my English muffin?
They were delish. Honest, Tony. So good. Almost as good as my dad's, and his bread pit's over 500 years old.
Bread pit? Is that the name of the alien ship that leads to your people?
Wow. Things really went downhill after my generation, didn't they?
Oh, you mean a starter? Yeah. I got one. It's older than the used golf clubs I bought 5 years ago at a garage sale. But I think your dad's got me beat. Hand over fist. Hey, I never got your name.
My name's Lettuce. That's why I come to the gardens.
Lettuce? Your parents named you after a vegetable and you still talk to them? That's admirable. Hey, where you going?
You're dreaming. Your mom's coming. You're about to wake up.
I'm gonna wake up soon. Lettuce, wait.
Thanks for the muffin.
Lettuce.
Thanks for the muffin,
Lettuce.
Tony.
Lettuce. Tony, wake up. You're having a dream, honey, all right? Wonder if her parents wanted to name her Kale. Tony, wake up. Wake up.
Oh, Ma, what?
You're having a dream, honey. Listen, what are you doing sleeping? The Fort Worth Butterfields are gonna be here in 6 hours, all right?
What? Ma, you got plenty of time to clean before they get here. It's like a whole day away, please.
Hey, you ever try to clean a bookshelf with a Q-tip? It's never too late to start. Come on, honey, let's go. No, I haven't tried that. But I have made the best English muffins, according to a woman from the 10th century, which is like when bread was invented. Let's learn about that. Hey, this is Cooking with Tony Rigatoni. Yeah, I know, I'm a joke, but the food, it's for real. Come on, let's watch. What's up, everybody? I'm Tony Rigatoni, and today we are cooking none other than English muffins from scratch. These are the real deal, the OG sourdough English muffins. And I even wore my gold chain today just for you, babies. Mwah, mwah, let's go. To add to those English muffins, baby, I got a quick stovetop jam that's pectin-free, and I also made clotted cream. Yeah, can you believe it? It's the best. It's like baked cream. You're gonna see all about it. I can't wait to share it with you. But Lettuce, she was so excited about the clotted cream, right? Because, you know, the Brits, they've been clotting cream for like 1,000 years. It's like a must-have with high tea, you know what I'm saying? If you ever been to London or gotten on a plane, I mean, I've never flown anywhere, but I've read about it. You need a sourdough starter to attempt this recipe. You can find my starter tutorial on my channel or in the link in the comments. All right, let's get started. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a quart of strawberries, then you're gonna take the stems off, you're gonna clean them. You can either cut them like this, or you can pulse them in a Cuisinart, Robocool, wherever you work. Now here I'm showing you what the size of the strawberries should be. Now this you need to do the day before, because I'm taking the sugar here and I put about 1.5 cups of sugar in there, I stir it in. I'm gonna hold the lemon juice for after the next day, okay? So that they've been sitting in the fridge for about 24 hours. Even 12 hours works. And then I'm going to put them on the stove. There goes the lemon juice. I put a teaspoon of lemon juice, all right? And now I'm going to cook it up. And there's no pectin or nothing. All you need is the natural pectin from the strawberries. And look how freaking beautiful this jam is, you guys. It lasts for like 7 to 8 days in the fridge. Freaking perfect. No pectin, no gelatin. Let's go. Okay, then you're going to take 2 cups of cream and you're going to bake it at 180 degrees Fahrenheit for overnight. It's got to bake for 12 hours, all right? Then you're going to chill it for a couple of hours in the fridge. Look at that. Now all that liquid underneath you're going to discard, but you take the top off, which is also known as the fat back,
if you come from a professional cooking world. But look at that. It's like baked and smoky. It's freaking beautiful. It's great on English muffins, but you can also use it to finish stuff as well. By that I mean like finishing stews and whatnot. Now you're going to take the starter. See, I put about 100 grams of starter in there, then 360 grams of bread flour, 240 grams or 1 cup of milk, and 20 grams of honey, and a teaspoon of fine sea salt. And you mix it all together. Then you're going to put saran wrap over it and let it rest for 20 minutes. Now, it takes a little bit of water. So you got a little water there. This is the first pull. After 20 minutes, you're going to pull it. This is the second pull. See how it's getting a little bit more elastic? This is the second pull, all right? Then you're going to pull it again. Every 30 minutes, you pull it. So that's 4 pulls total is what I did. That's usually what I do with my bread. 4 pulls. This is the 4th pull right here. You see how much elasticity it has? And then after that, I do my bulk ferment in the fridge. I double saran before it goes in the fridge overnight. And there it is, the bulk ferment. It's done. Let the dough come out. I do a little bench rest for about 20 minutes out of the fridge after it's been in the fridge all night. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide up my dough. So you can do this 2 ways. You know, cooks, there's no one way of doing things. You can do it several ways. I'm doing a hand-shaped English muffin. And then also to show you, I'm doing a rolled English muffin. And I'm going to punch these out so they're like perfect looking, you know, Great British Baking Show title sequence level of perfection here, all right? But if I'm being honest, sometimes it's a hand-shaped morning, you know what I mean? Then you're going to take semolina grain, all right? You're going to put it on a sheet tray. This is very important. It's the key ingredient to the crumpet. The British crumpet has this. English muffins used to be called crumpets.
All right, so now we're going to go ahead and fry up the...
Hi! Hi! I missed you, Tony.
Lettuce, what are you doing here?
Do you have any more clotted cream in English muffins, Tony?
Can you stay over there, please?
Okay, I'll stay back.
Ma, tell the Butterfield Fort Worths it's a bad time for tea. We got a uninvited guest.
English muffins!
You were in my dream. Is this like Freddy Krueger?
I went to a grocery store. The food is everywhere. It's just out for the taking. But the manager stopped me. He said I smelled. Not sure what that was about.
You got a hygiene problem. I mean, I just say like, you know, a bath wouldn't hurt, you know, maybe a brush through the hair. I don't want any trouble. Okay, babe?
If I don't bring enough rations back for my family in the past, then I could get sacrificed. Last week they sacrificed a goat.
Your family would sacrifice you? Oh, we can't have that. Listen, Lettuce, I'll make you some more English muffins. I'm putting the spatula down. If I feed you, will you go back in history? Because I don't want to screw anything up. I mean, I don't want to stop bread from arriving here. After all, bread was made in the 10th century. I did some research before I started filming this episode. Yes, I did.
Oh my God, I can't believe she's freaking in my kitchen right now and I have to cook these muffins. I'm worried she's going to take my mom.
Let's do 4, okay? Yeah.
Okay, this is my internal monologue, all right? Not a big deal, but look how beautiful these are, you know? You can do this at home. All you need is a bread starter. And, oh my God, she's here.
Here, take a spatula. Lettuce? Lettuce? She's gone. My friend lives in the past. All right, guys, it's time to take our English muffin and eat it. And look at that T-roll. That's a B-roll for Tony roll.
All right, guys, happy Friday the 13th. Halloween is up on us. Enjoy your muffins.